Okay, so here I am back again. We're not going to draw a really big pout fish because we're going to use one piece of paper for this project instead of drawing our fish and cutting it out and then adding it to a habitat. So somewhere on your paper, you're going to think about making a fish, so make sure you leave plenty of room. I want you to make the shape that almost looks like a C. There it is. Then, we're doing this a little bit different, those of you that already have done it. We're going to make half of an oval. Moving right along, we need to add a tail. We're going to do it a little different than we have in the past. Curved line up, curved line on the bottom, and a curved line connecting them. We need fins on top of our fish, so we're going to add part of a curved triangle on the bottom. On the top. That was funny. And then again on the bottom. Our PoutPoutFish needs a couple of eyes. So we're going to make, or actually an eye, we're going to make that curve for his face. Add a big oval with a circle inside for his eye, and give him a big old happy smile. When you color it, I want you to think about what color you want your PoutPoutFish to be. I also want you to think about adding some texture. So maybe we could add some little bumps in there to make it look like he has scales. Do you see how I'm alternating them? So that the part that touches is opposite every time, and it touches on the top of that little hill. That way it looks more like a scale. I can add curved lines inside my fins, top and bottom, and maybe some in my tail too. Now this is where our project's going to go really different than it did when we were doing it in class. I want you to add what you think is at the bottom of the sea. So I'm going to pull this picture back in to let you look at it. That is so colorful and so wonderful. There are other creatures in the sea besides the PoutPoutFish. I want you to use your imagination now. Really make me a really good habitat for PoutPoutFish. If you didn't want him to be in the sea, you could always go back to the classroom. Put him in the classroom if you want. But show me a really good habitat for PoutPoutFish. I'm not going to draw that for you because I really want to see what you can come up with on your own. So remember, today's enrichment is PoutPoutFish and habitat. Make it really colorful using whatever you have at your house. Anything you have will be fine. Happy drawing!